Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete chats on WhatsApp desktop. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your computer. On the left side, you'll see your list of conversations. Find the chat that you want to delete. Now, right-click on the chat. From the menu, select Delete Chat. WhatsApp will show a confirmation message before deleting the conversation. Review the message carefully, and if you are sure you want to delete the chat, confirm the deletion. The chat will then be removed from your chat list. Keep in mind that deleting a chat is different from archiving it. When you archive a chat, you can still find it in the archived section. When you delete a chat, it is removed from your WhatsApp chat list. If you only want to remove a conversation from your own WhatsApp desktop, deleting the chat can be useful for keeping your chat list clean and organized. Before deleting an important conversation, make sure you no longer need the messages. Also remember that deleting a chat from your account does not necessarily delete the conversation from the other person's WhatsApp. So if you are ready, right-click the chat, select Delete Chat, and confirm the action. And that's how you can delete a chat on WhatsApp desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.